Hey, what's up guys, this is Kev and you're watching Noise Tech. In this video, I will show you the Google camera for Android. Yes, you can get it on any phone. I have the OnePlus 5T, which is on Android 8.1 Oreo, so there's no night sight available right now. If you have a phone with Android Pie, then you can get the night sight as well. The link to the Google camera is there in the description below. So here we have the Google camera with all the necessary features. So the main option here we have is HDR mode. Yes, HDR Plus is there on this Google camera, which you have on most Google cameras but not on other devices. This is the best thing. Now, people prefer the Google camera just because of its software. Yes, the software optimization of the Google camera is the best. So here we have is a Google camera, and I can tell you this is the most trusted camera as well. In the settings, you have some basic settings where you can click picture with your phone camera at the maximum resolution. Yes. You can even record at 4K 30 FPS. If your phone supports 60 FPS, then you can do it. Front camera video resolution is maxed out at 4K 30 FPS. But on the normal camera, you do not get an option for 4K on your front camera. Yes, it is maxed out at 1080p or 720p. But this time I am getting an option for 4K 30 FPS. Video stabilization and all other options are present. You have some basic gestures on the Google camera app as well. So if you want to download this Google camera app, then you can find it in the link in the description below. So guys, this was pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it, and I'll see you in the next one.